Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. Got a 2014 P389 factory built glider kit, built with a 12.7 liter Detroit 10 speed, 320,000 original miles. Got it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, blow by, oil pressure, tires, brakes, frame rails, everything that you want to see. Let's get started. Overall body and paint's in good shape, but it does have some dings on the top. You can see there. I don't know if that's from hail or I have to look either when you're in the truck. You might see it, but you don't see it from the ground. But no cracks in fenders, no crack in the hood, nothing in the aluminum. Back of the cab looks good. These fenders have helped with that. It's got new rubber. Excellent brakes. Southern truck. Operating temp, good low side oil pressure, smooth through the RPMs, oil pressure climbs just like she's supposed to. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526, or you can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.